Well, I'm a new girl, and I have a bunch of stories to tell you, so I'll get to those eventually. Oh, I see you met my sister. Well, watch out because she lies a lot. And she also makes up a bunch of shit about me, so, just take her with a grain of salt, okay? I got a little spot. So I'm sure my sister told you, not to listen to my stories and stuff. She's always hated me. I love her. I've always taken care of her and stuff, but she's always calling me a slut and, claims that I lost my virginity when I was 13, which, I didn't. I might have acted like I did. But, whatever. That's besides the fucking point. She's young, so what does she know? She'll start lying about shit, blowjobs and things like that. So, have a happy Friday, and we'll see you guys next week at Danny's birthday party at the drag strips. I can't wait. It's going to be fun. So, I'm going to the drag strips too, and I'll try to get along with my sister. I know that we're getting older and things are changing, and, I just have to get along and not. So, later I'll tell you some stories about those girls. The older one, she's a fucking slut and a big liar, and the younger one, she's just a fucking bitch, so you can't trust either of them.
So, hi, I'm the girls' mom. You probably see the family resemblance. We all kind of have, people say we have big mouths.
Well, I guess you just met my mom, and, you can't really believe anything she says either. She's kind of a bitch. But,